Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the phone ready and entering download mode. You must have USB debugging set and the device battery above 50% so the flash won't fail mid-write. Once done, connect the phone but do not flash yet. Grab the correct stock files for your exact model, app, BL, CP, and if needed, a PIT. Then reboot directly into download mode using Power plus Volume Down plus Home or Bixby. Make sure Odin recognizes the device before moving on. Now you configure Odin and place the stock firmware where it belongs. Open Odin as an administrator and watch for the ID, COM port to light up. That confirms communication. Put BL in BL, App in App, CP in CP, and add PIT only if your package includes it. Pick the correct options, uncheck repartition unless you have a PIT and know why you're using it. If the firmware is single file use, AP only. Once everything is loaded and checked, you're ready to flash. Click Start and let Odin run the flash. Do not disconnect. You should see a pass and a green box when it finishes, and then manually reboot into the system or recovery to verify stock recovery is restored. If the device hits a boot loop, immediately boot to recovery and wipe cache or data if necessary, then reflash the correct stock package. If Odin fails mid-flash, try a different USB cable or port, reinstall Samsung USB drivers, or switch PCs. That fixes most connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.